Hello everyone, welcome to the world of insects. Today we are going to meet some amazing creatures that live all around us. Let's start the video. Before starting our video, if you are new on the channel, subscribe, like and share the videos. So let's start the beautiful video.
Hello everyone, I am a snail. I have a hard shell on my back to protect myself. I like to eat juicy plants and live in a peaceful environment with a dragonfly. Hi there, I am a dragonfly. I can fly very fast and catch mosquitoes for my delicious lunch. Are you like me?
There, I am a caterpillar. I love to munch on leaves and grow bigger and bigger. Soon I'll turn into a beautiful butterfly. La 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 la.
There, I am a blue-green butterfly. I have colorful wings to attract the other beautiful butterfly. I love to fly. Ha 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 ha.
Everybody, I am a grasshopper. I love to jumping on the grass and I live in the gardens. I like to eat grass and live happy. So if you wanna meet me, find me in your gardens. Ha ha ha.
Everybody, I am a black ladybug. I am known for my good luck charm. I eat aphids which harmful for the plants. So, are you like me? Yahoo!
Oh dear kids, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoon for Kids for many videos like this. So we will meet in next educational video. Until bye for now.